Don't mind me, I was feeling myself. So the next thing I'm going to apply is this Zaron Cosmetics lip gloss, luxurious lip gloss in the shade Vamp, as per Vampire. So I love the, it looks like a pretty pink color. I usually wouldn't go for pink, but the good thing about this is I think it's clear. It's kind of clear, I guess. It smells nice, I guess. I'll just take more because luxury. I love luxury. Luxurious. This is so good. I like it. It has pink color that I like. Just looks so nice. So nice. So nice. So luxurious. So I love the lip gloss. It's really thick and doesn't feel so heavy, but it's thick. I don't know how that works, but yes, it's nice. It has a nice color to it, like not so bright, it's not so pigmented, but like you just can still see the pinkish color. So yes, I love it. It's really nice. I wish I got other colors. Like, this is really nice. So usually I would finish up using a setting spray just to like lock up all the makeup I have on my face, but I just want you guys to appreciate the mattifying effect of this Zaron oil block mattifier. Like, I am not looking all oily, if I can say so. Like, it has a nice finish, basically. Really nice mattifying finish. I love this product and I will rate them. The oil block mattifier I will give an 8/10, and I'm not giving it 10 because I don't think it's something I can use when I don't want to use makeup, like because of the white cast it leaves, like the milk of magnesia kind of white cast, and I don't think I can go out just with that. So I'm gonna take 2 points from you guys, Zaron, for that. And for the luxurious lip gloss, I love it. I really love it. Like, I am going to give it a 10 because it's really nice. It's thick, the color is just right, and it looks good. So that's all for this video. This is my everyday look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And also I hope you enjoyed my review on the Zaron Cosmetics product, and I would like to know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you've ever tried this product, let me know if you try them, and let me know if you ever get to like buy them and try them. So basically, and okay, I got this product from Rejuvenate, that's at 55A Isaac John Street at Ikeja GRE, Lagos. So I think basically you can get this product from any other Zaron cosmetic store, but I think that store is new and I got this product at a discount, but I'm not sure if that discount is still running right now. But you can get this product basically from any Zaron cosmetic store, and this review is not sponsored, so yes. So let me know if there's any other products you want me to review, and I'll be sure to do so. And like I always say, just make sure they are affordable because these reviews are not sponsored. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.